Challenging.
Informative.
Empowering.
Worthwhile.
Epic.
Propitious.
Awesome.
Inspirational.
Energizing.
Resilient.
Worthwhile.
Evolutional.
Accommodating.
Transformative.
Thought-provoking.
Eye-opening.
Systematic.
Inspirational.
Motivational. The RGU Accelerator program definitely exceeded my expectations. I, for one, came into the program with this idea, but no clue what to do with it.
And I started to understand what I'm actually doing.
To shape our business ideas with our mentor, critical feedback from experts with business experience.
One of the things that I am most proud of is being able to work as a team.
Whoa! Second team, restart! Go, back to the wall! There you go, good job team!
Network and communicate with other teams.
And I'll come over to Edward and I say, you a condiment?
The past few months have been very, very eye-opening.
The most challenging part for me would have to be the time we took our customer validation.
Doing a good job on the tasks allocated in the time given.
Made some tweaks and changes, which was a very, very challenging period.
The level of detail that's taught and that needs to be learned in such a short amount of time, it's quite surprising the amount that you actually do need to get to grips with quite quickly.
For me, the funniest moment on the Accelerator programme had to be the music making session we had at the start of our first weekend workshop at School Hill.
When we were about to deliver our first presentation pitch, I remember that we were all really nervous and we went into a room that was full of drums.
That session was the ultimate icebreaker.
We spent the whole morning making so much noise and just having so much fun.
It was probably the craziest thing I've ever been part of.
Played our souls away, basically.
We began to forget about the pressure and the nerves that we had for our pitch in the afternoon. It was such a great bonding experience and allowed us to really break the ice amongst the cohort.
What's the most significant thing that I've learned from being part of the Accelerator program?
How to take an idea and very systematically develop a business or organization around it.
I've learned how to be proactive. That's because of our mentors who have helped and inspired us to realize and positively act on our potential as a team.
It's not to let my perfectionism hinder me.
I'm grateful to the EIG team for this opportunity.
True development doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment in order to put yourself out there. It's you trying new things and putting yourself out of your comfort zone.